Hi, I'm gonna ask you, how are you today? How is your feeling? I hope that you are in a safe place. In this time of pandemic, we must more careful and we must have a healthy body. And more importantly, we must learn. Now, we will learn what is RDBMS or what they call Relational Database Management System and NoSQL. Let's go! Let's go! First, let's talk about the RDBMS or Relational Database Management System. RDBMS is a database management system that is based on the relational model. It has the following major components: the table, record, tuple row, field, and column or attribute. Example of the most popular RDBMS are MySQL, Oracle, IBM DB2, and Microsoft SQL Server Database. But before we continue in RDBMS or Relational Database Management System, let us talk about relational model. Relational model or RM represent the database as a collection of relations. A relation is nothing but a table values. Every row in a table represents a collection of related values. These rows in the table denote a real-world entity or relationship.
A database management system, or DBMS, that incorporates the relational model, normally including structured query language or SQL, application programming interface. It is a DBMS in which the database is organized and accessed according to the relationships between the data items. In a relational database, relationships between data items are expressed by means of tables. Interdependencies among these tables are expressed by data values rather than by pointers. This allows a high degree of data independence. Now, let's go to the examples of RDBMS and its companies. The number one example, the MySQL. MySQL is a database management system. It may be anything from simple shopping lists to a picture gallery or the vast amounts of information in a corporate network to add, access, and process data stored in a computer database. You need database management system such as MySQL Server. The company that uses MySQL is Twitter. What is Twitter? Twitter is a microblogging system that allows you to send and receive short posts called tweets. Tweets can be up to 140 characters long and can include links to relevant websites and resources. Twitter users follow the other users. If you follow someone, you can see their tweets in your Twitter timeline. You can choose to follow people and organizations with similar academic and personal interests to you. You can create your own tweets, or you can retweet information that has been tweeted by others. Retweeting means that information can be shared quickly and efficiently with a large number of people. All the things you do is tweet. The next example is the Oracle. Why do we use Oracle? Oracle is a database management software product. A database contains an organized collection of information. A database management system is not only used for storing the data, but to effectively manage it and provides high performance, authorized access, and failure recovery features. The companies that use Oracles is the Netflix. Netflix is a streaming service that offers a wide variety of award-winning TV shows, movies, anime, documentaries, and more on thousands of the internet connected. Netflix uses Amazon's Elastic Load Balancer service to route traffic to our front-end services. The next example is the Microsoft SQL Server. Microsoft SQL Server is a relational database management system, or RDBMS, that supports a wide variety of transaction processing, business intelligence, and analytics application in corporate IT environments. The company that uses Microsoft SQL is the Microsoft company. Microsoft is the leading global vendor of computer software, hardware for computer, mobile, and gaming system, and cloud services. Microsoft corporate headquarters is located in Redmond, Wash. It has offices in more than 60 countries. Now, let's go to the NoSQL. A NoSQL, originally referring to non-SQL or non-relational. A NoSQL database provides a mechanism for storage and retrieval of the data that is modeled in means other than the tabular relations used in relational databases. A NoSQL databases are increasingly used in big data and real-time web applications. Now, let's go to the NoSQL examples and its companies. The number one example is the HBase. HBase is a column-oriented non-relational database management system that runs on top of Hadoop distributed file system. HBase provides a fault-tolerant way of storing sparse data sets, which are common in many big data use cases. A sort order can also be defined for the data. The company that uses the HBase is the Tumblr. Tumblr is a blogging and social media tool that allows users to publish a Tumblr, or short, blog post. Tumblr major differentiator. Tumblr is blogging platform. The number 2, the MongoDB. MongoDB is a document-oriented NoSQL database used for high volume data storage. Instead of using tables and rows as in the traditional relational databases, MongoDB makes use of collections and documents. Company that uses the MongoDB is the Uber. Uber is a platform where those who drive and deliver can connect with riders, eaters, and restaurants. In cities where Uber is available, you can use the Uber app to request a ride. When a nearby driver drives, accept your request. The app displays an estimated time of arrival for the driver heading to your pickup locations. Now, let's go to the other example, the OrientedDB. OrientedDB is an open source NoSQL database management system written in Java. It is a multi-model database supporting graph, document, key or value, and object models, but relationships are managed as a graph databases with direct connection between records. The company that uses the OrientedDB is the Sky Company. The Sky Company is provider of television broadcasting and telecommunication services. The company offers satellite, television, and pay TV, as well as bundles of broadband telephony services. Sky Cable Corporation is the pay television and broadband arms of ABS-CBN, a leading media and entertainment company in the Philippines. Okay, it's all for today and thank you very much.